Another form Titan video, and in this video we'll show you how to make fields mandatory. Making fields mandatory is pretty much part of every single use case that you'll put in Form Titan. Rarely is a time where you don't make a field mandatory, so definitely need to learn this one. Simply, we're just going to drag any element, and by the way, this works for all elements, so it almost doesn't really matter which element you're using. As long as you're inputting data in there, you can just use the same avenue. Once you click on an element, under the basic, you can just say select mandatory. That's it. Same for any other one, select mandatory. And this is pretty much same for every element in Form Titan. Just drag this one here. Look, under basic, you've got mandatory. What other one? Let's try email. And same story here. Mandatory. Let's try URL. And then same here. So that's how it's done. Once you've dragged the element onto the layout, under the basic umbrella, you will see the mandatory option available. And that's how it's done.